Yamaha TW200 has always been one of those rare motorcycles that never really goes out of style. With its fat tires, rugged simplicity, and go-anywhere attitude, it's been a cult favorite among adventurers and city riders alike. Now in 2026, Yamaha has refreshed the TW200 while keeping everything fans have always loved about it. Let's dive into what makes the new TW200 special. Classic DNA, modern touches. The 2026 TW200 still carries that unmistakable silhouette. Wide tires, compact frame, and a low seat height that welcomes riders of all skill levels. But Yamaha has given it a subtle modern makeover. The fuel tank now features updated graphics, LED lighting all around, and a slightly reworked seat design for better comfort on long rides. Despite these changes, the bike retains its retro charm and rugged simplicity that riders adore. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the heart of the TW200 remains a reliable 196 cubic centimeter, air-cooled single-cylinder engine. However, Yamaha has fine-tuned it for smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency thanks to updated fuel injection mapping. The 5-speed transmission delivers a relaxed ride on back roads, while still offering enough grunt for off-road exploration. With its proven reliability and ease of maintenance, this is a bike that can take a beating and keep going. Suspension and handling. The magic of the TW200 has always been in its handling. The wide balloon-style tires provide incredible stability and traction on sand, dirt, gravel, or pavement. The 2026 model continues this tradition, now featuring slightly upgraded suspension for better damping and comfort. Whether you're trail riding, commuting through the city, or exploring a remote path, the TW200 remains one of the most confidence-inspiring dual-sport bikes out there. Comfort and practicality. At just over 270 pounds, the TW200 is light and nimble. The low 31-inch seat height makes it accessible to almost everyone, while the upright riding position offers great visibility and comfort. Yamaha has also added a USB-C charging port and an updated LCD display with basic trip information. Small touches that make a big difference for modern riders. Price and final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 stays true to its roots. Simple, rugged, and fun. With a price expected to remain under $6,000, it's still one of the most affordable and dependable dual sports on the market. If you want a bike that blends adventure, simplicity, and timeless design, the TW200 continues to be a perfect choice. Closing, thanks for tuning in to Ride Radar. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Yamaha TW200, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle news, reviews, and updates. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.